Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on KY4.com. Wanted to give you a weather update heading into the weekend. Man, what an incredible Friday. You probably stepped out and immediately noticed the lack of humidity, and you probably noticed as well just how blue the sky was. Lack of haze due to the drier air working in on the heels of the brisk west to northwest wind. We had dew point temperatures, which is a great measure of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, drop from what we've seen into the low 70s much of the week down into the upper 50s by the end of the day on Friday. So that made for a very pleasant day, even though we had afternoon highs into the mid 80s. It was one of the nicer days that we have seen. We did have a few scattered showers down across southern Kentucky early, but at least the central and northern part of the region really looking good. Unfortunately, heading into the weekend, it is going to be rather cool for this time of the year as we wrap up June and unsettled. We talked about this yesterday. An upper-level system over the eastern Great Lakes is actually going to work westward and take its time kind of hanging over the Ohio Valley through the weekend and at least through the first, if not the half of next week. And as a result, we're talking afternoon highs only into the mid and upper 70s. So the positive side, we will get a break from the heat. The downside is the fact that each and every day we will have a few scattered showers mainly, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, not looking at big thunderstorm chances, but it is going to be unsettled. So I know a lot of folks, of course, trying to hit the pool, hit the lake on the final weekend of July, maybe even getting a kickstart on the holiday with 4th of July just right around the corner. It's not going to rain all day, every day, but each and every day we will have a shot at scattered showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Eventually, this low will finally work more westward. It'll put us in a southwest flow and allow temperatures to rise into the low, maybe mid 80s heading toward Independence Day, and I think things will begin to settle down just a bit. So that looks good for the holiday later next week. But here in the short term through the weekend, we will be dealing with those scattered showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two. But good news, at least we're going to get a break from the heat, although some of the humidity will come back. No matter what you're doing, be safe out there. Make it a great weekend. And again, thanks for joining us here on KY4.com.